Hello everyone, myself Neha Rajput. I am from Maharashtra. Today I am going to share my NEET journey from 2018. So back in 2017, when I was in 10th standard, I enrolled for a coaching entrance and then I got selected over there. In 2018, I started my NEET preparation and I went to the hostel. It was quite difficult for me to adjust over there. I know most of the people face difficulties when they are away from their home for the first time, and I was a little bit more attached to my home, so it was much difficult for me. But when 1 month passed, I was quite acquainted over there, and then I came back home during my vacation, and after that I was in no way any mood to go over there and start my preparation again. I was not feeling well. I was mentally distressed. I don't know what kind of tension I was carrying every day, but yeah, I was not able to focus on my studies over there. And I did not have any social media account basically. So I was lonely, and now I have my social media Instagram Neha Rajput 1502. I will give the link in the description box. So yeah, at that time I did not have any social media, so I was not able to open up to anyone that what I was feeling. That feeling was quite weird, and I was feeling guilty. I was not able to understand something, and I was like suddenly distressed. Oh no, what will happen to me now? I am not able to understand this or that. Basically, I used to take tension of small things. Then in August 2018, I was diagnosed with a cyst in my body, and I had to undergo a surgery. So doctor advised me to take 1 month complete bed rest for it. Then after that incident, I was in mental trauma. I was disturbed, and again I went back to my hostel in September. There was so much of backlogs. I was distressed by seeing it. What will happen to me now? How will I survive in this race? Yeah, it is a race, it is a mad race. But gradually I began to cover my backlogs and did well in some of my tests, but it again fell down because I was having that complete sinking in feeling every time, and I was not able to open up about it to anybody. It was like sinking in every time, and you know, I think I was in depression at that time. I used to cry badly every day. I used to cry every single day. I used to tell my parents. My parents used to counsel me, and then I was like, okay. And I used to get my phone only for 1 hour, and that too, it was not a smartphone. Then I used to talk to my parents, and it would make me feel better. Finally, time passed, and after that, I had my board exams in 2020, February 2020, and I gave that. And after that, Corona period came. I came back to my hometown, and I was not able to focus anymore because after all that has happened in these 2 years, I was not able to bear that exam is postponed, and I was completely distracted at that time in the period of COVID. And one day I cried, and I said that no, I want to change my stream. I'm not gonna take this stream. But gradually I changed my thinking and made up my mind to give NEET 2020. On September 13, 2020, I gave my NEET exam for the first time, and as a result of all that has happened in these 2 years related to my health, related to my mental peace, I scored only 417 marks in NEET 2020. It was not a very good score, and I was not able to get admission into medical college. So I was not in any mood to take a drop. But then again, I made up my mind that how much time I had studied in these 2 years. Actually it was a time of 2.5 years, but I had studied just for a span of 10 months. and then again I was able to score this. So I thought, why not give one shot for it? I will not regret it later. So I took a year drop, and before my result, 2 3 days before my result, I fell down from my scooty, and I had a fracture, and I had to undergo a surgery for it. So then again I was in trauma before my result. I was in complete shock state that what is happening with me. But I fight I fought for it, and I took a drop. Again, I was in complete isolation for 1 year. I did not talk to anybody. I did not talk to my friends. I did not have any friends during my preparation. And yeah, I was feeling sinking in feeling sometimes, but as I was at home this time, so I was better, but my health issues continued, and I had migraine and all. I had to undergo treatment for it and for many other things. But still, I cope up with that and gave my NEET 2021. And you know, guys, NEET 2021 was tougher than NEET 2020. So, as expected, exam was tough. For me, it went well, and I am expecting a college this year, medical college. Yeah, I am expecting a medical college this year. So, guys, I just want to say that for one exam or for the sake of anyone, do not disturb your mental peace. Your mental peace is the foremost priority. Nowadays, people are ignoring this, and due to that, many are in trauma. But during my drop year, I had a complete support of my parents, and my best companion was my brother. I used to share every little thing with him. So yeah, if you do not have anyone to open up, you can text me. I will be able to help you. I will make a group of 4 to 5 people with me, and we all will make you come out of this, because nobody should go through it alone. You can DM me on Instagram. I will reply to your message. And if you want to call me, you can also call me. But do not go through it alone. And this is not for only NEET aspirants, it is for all the lovely people over there. Do not take tension. Do not be in the state of mental trauma or anything, because your mental peace is the foremost priority. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next video after my college admission, probably. Okay, the link of my Instagram is in the description box. And please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and the link of my Instagram is in the description box. Bye everyone.